And this is Jake. I'm here to show you how to run and play my Connect 4 game for my CS201 portfolio project. Well, to start, once you're in the folder, you're going to run it by using the make file. So by just typing in make, you're going to build it. It's going to be called C4 and execute that, and you're in the game. So the game has 3 modes: solo play, multiplayer, and against an AI. Let's start with just with a solo player game. So you'll enter 1 for solo play, and you'll be prompted for the amount of rows and columns. So the standard game has 6 rows and 7 columns. And I'll get the player 1 will be X and player 2 will be O. So let's say I'll go with column 1, and then 2. I'm going to make myself win here. And boom. So it's going to keep track right there. Player 1 wins. Player 2 still at 0. Well, let's type an R to rematch. All right, so let's do another standard board size. We'll set it up about the same. Start playing around a little bit, and let's say I want to go to column 7. So it's not even there, non-existent. It's going to give you an invalid input. Entering in characters will give you invalid inputs. Let's say I enter row 2, but then I accidentally hit the W beneath it. Well, it's still going to take that 2 in, put that down, and that W is still going to prompt the error, but it's still going to put that 1 down on the column 2. So let's say I sneezed. 3, chew. Same thing. It's going to get that column 3, but it's going to get rid of everything else. So let's finish this game up real quick. We'll go into the other game mode. And there it is. 1 again. Still keeping track. Player 1, 2, player 2, nothing. Let's quit. And let's hop back into this game. And let's play against the AI a little bit. Well, let's say I want the number of rows to be a little higher. We'll do 10 rows and we'll do 60 columns. That's still gonna fit fine. And let's play against the AI. So wherever you move, it's gonna make it to move immediately after. Oh, block me there. Oh, they won. So same thing. It's gonna keep track of who's winning. Same thing if I decided to rematch, it would go ahead. But let's do a rematch. Let's throw it in a little bigger. Actually, let's quit. I'll do it in solo play. So let's say the number of rows I want, we'll make 400. Let's say we want the number of columns to be pretty high. Let's make it 10,000. Well, it's going to take a little longer to build the board, but it's still there. Now, obviously, it doesn't fit. It's actually going to prompt you with, or not prompt, but it's going to give a little error message as well. It'll tell you, due to the size of this, that, oh, here it is. Due to the size of the board, the display may be misaligned. So as you can see here, it's obviously not perfect, but trying to use a lot more space than you have on the window. But it'll still work. So I'll go column 4. And X wins. So player 1 won again. So even with the large board size, it should still work. Well, I could exit. I'll go back. Anything else to quit? Go back in the game. But I can also exit at any time. So yeah, multiplayer will still work. But I can just type in 4 and exit. And that's it. That's the game. I hope you have fun and enjoy. Just remember when you're running it, use the make file and ./C4.